Have you ever struggled with restless nights or just felt like your mind won't fully relax? Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka, and today I'm unboxing the BioEmblem Triple Magnesium Powder Drink. This was kindly sent to me so I could try it and share my honest opinion, and it's actually my very first time testing it. This formula combines 3 highly absorbable forms of magnesium, glycinate, gluconate, and taurate, plus GABA. Together, they're designed to support rest, relaxation, sleep, and brain health. Magnesium also helps with energy, mood balance, and muscle function, which makes it an all-around essential nutrient. This container comes with 30 servings in a passionfruit mango flavor. It's vegan, mixes easily with water, and doesn't have that chalky texture. The powder blends smoothly, the scent is fruity, and the taste is refreshing, not too sweet. Very light and easy to drink. For this test, I'm trying it during the day, but my plan is to make it part of my nighttime routine to really experience its calming benefits. My first impression is very positive. It feels convenient, smooth, and enjoyable. If you liked it, the link's down in the description. You can check it out or grab yours. Thanks for watching.